In celebration of fall, I will be sharing with you a simple recipe for a no-bake pumpkin cheesecake. You'll need the following ingredients: 1 can of pure pumpkin, a half a tub of Cool Whipped, I'm using sugar-free, 1 package of cream cheese, a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 cup of sugar or Splenda, and 1 graham cracker crust. Add all your ingredients into a large bowl. Mix together well. When the batter is smooth, pour it into the pie crust. Cover up the pumpkin cheesecake and you're going to refrigerate it for 3 hours. Three hours later, it's time to serve. Top it off with whipped cream and enjoy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.